We'll guide you through how to use ClickUp AI effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once you're logged into your ClickUp account, navigate to the workspace where you'd like to utilize AI features. Click on the task you want to enhance with AI. You'll see an AI icon at the top of the task description area. Click on it to activate ClickUp AI. This feature uses advanced algorithms to help you streamline your task management, generate content, or make data-driven decisions. If you're looking to generate a task description or brainstorm ideas, simply type your prompt into the AI input field. The AI will then suggest relevant content, which you can edit and refine as needed. For data analysis, ClickUp AI can summarize large datasets or project statuses, providing you with concise insights. To adjust the AI settings, click on the settings icon within the AI window. Here, you can customize how the AI interacts with your tasks, choosing from options like automatic updates or specific suggestions. Keep in mind that AI capabilities can vary depending on your subscription plan, so explore these features based on what your plan offers. Remember to save your task updates as you make changes. This ensures that all AI-generated inputs are preserved. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.